months, and I just want to say congratulations for making it to the end of the summer reading program. Since this is our last week, and since you guys did so awesome all summer, we're going to be making a gold medal for our last craft. So we're making this out of Crayola Model Magic, which is an air dry clay. So first thing we're going to do is open our bag. You might need scissors for this. Okay, so now that we have our clay out, we're going to decide how big we want to make our medal. I am going to make mine with probably this much clay. Now, you can do whatever you like with your leftover clay. If you put it in a sealed container or a Ziploc bag, it won't dry out and you'll be able to use it again, just like Play-Doh. So now that I've put my extra clay to the side, I'm gonna start working with the clay that is going to make my medal. I'm gonna start making it into a nice circle shape and making it flat. We don't want this to be too thick because we want it to dry all the way through. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna use my dowel as a kind of rolling pin to flatten out my clay and make sure that it's nice and round. And I'm going to make sure my edges are flat. Flip it over so that the flat side is up. You don't have to do this. This is just how I'm shaping my medal. And now that it is in a nice circle, or whatever shape you want it to be, you could make your medal into a star, a moon shape, you can make it into a heart, square, whatever you wanted. I'm going to make mine into a traditional gold medal circle. So, once I've made it into a circle, I'm going to take my dowel again and I'm going to decorate my medal. I'm going to put a star in the middle of mine. So you're just going to carve whatever shape you like into the middle of your medal. Okay, I have a nice star. I'm gonna roll over it again to make sure it's nice and flat. And you don't have to copy me. You can make whatever you like here. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that isn't stuck to the table too much. Now, one of the most important things about your medal is that you're able to wear it. So I'm gonna use my dowel. I'm gonna make a hole all the way through to the table. I'm gonna make it nice and big so that my ribbon will be able to go through it. Make sure that it goes all the way through. Okay, now since this is air dry clay, I'm gonna leave this overnight and then I'm gonna come back when it's all dry. Okay, so now that our medal has been drying for a couple days, it'll still be kind of squishy. You'll still be able to poke little bits into it. You can see it bending a little bit, but it'll be dry to touch. Now, the next step is to put your ribbon through it. So you're gonna take one end of your ribbon, put it right through that hole you made with your dowel. Thread it all the way through, and then you're gonna tie the ends together. Awesome. And in your bag, you should have a short piece of ribbon and a long piece of ribbon. You can choose which one is a better fit for you, and whichever one you don't use, you can feel free to use your extra clay and your extra ribbon to make another medal for yourself, one of your stuffed animals, to hang on your wall, whatever you would like. And finally, this is super special clay. So that means we can draw on it. So I'm going to, on the back of my medal, write down my name. And I'm gonna write Summer Reading Olympic 2021. That way you'll always remember what your medal is for. And I'm going to decorate it a little bit. You can use whatever color you like, but some of them might show up a little weird just because you're drawing on yellow instead of on white. And you don't have to decorate it, it's completely up to you. You could also decorate the front of your medal if you'd like. I'm going to leave mine how it is. Okay, and that's it. That's it for our last summer reading program craft. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun wearing your medal. Make sure all of your minutes are submitted by the end of this week so that you're entered to win your prizes. Have a great day, everyone.